Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
At 300 Kelvin, 36 gram of glucose present per liter in its solution has an osmotic pressure of 4.98 bar. If osmotic pressure of the solution is 1.52 bar at the same temperature, what would be the concentration? First thing is what? It's a question of osmotic pressure. So we can write the equation of osmotic pressure. What is the equation? Pi is equal to CRT, right? Here C is molarity. What is molarity? Molarity is number of moles of solute per liter, right? NB by V. And what is number of moles? Number of moles means mass by molar mass. Okay, so what is C? Mass by molar mass into volume, correct? Okay, here in this question we have two cases. In case 1, they have given the mass of solute and the volume of solution. From these two values you can find the concentration. Concentration means molarity. Okay, also they give the osmotic pressure for the first case. So for first case we know concentration and osmotic pressure. For case 2 they have given the osmotic pressure and you are supposed to find the concentration, and they said that temperature remains same. So we have two cases. First case they have given osmotic pressure and concentration. Second case they give osmotic pressure and you have to find the concentration. Temperature remains same. That is the context, right? So it's very easy, right? In both case R and T remains same. So what you can write? Pi proportion to C, or what you can write? Pi 1 by pi 2 is equal to C1 by C2, correct, right? First we can find the concentration in the first case, C1. See, use this equation. Mass, what is the mass? 36 by, what is the molar mass of glucose? 180 into volume. What is the volume? Per liter, right? So 1 liter. How we got this 180? See, molar mass of glucose is 180, that you know, right? C6H12O6. How to find molar mass? 6 into, what is atomic mass of carbon? 12 plus 12 into, what is atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. 12 hydrogen is there, right? Plus 6 oxygen, right? 6 into 16. On adding you will get what? 180. Hope you understand. Now what is pi 1 value? 4.98 by, what is pi 2 value? 1.52 is equal to, what is C1 value? 36 by 180. And what is C2 we have to find, right? C2 we have to find. So solve this, you will get the value of C2. C2 value will be 0.061 mole per liter. Okay, mole per liter. See, remember C, concentration is molarity. Okay, molarity.